Now that you know the in and out of Fusion 360, now is the time to understand how to utilize this knowledge and become a Fusion 360 certified user and earn this certification and this badge, which can add a tremendous value to your career. Now the very first step is to understand Certiport. Certiport is a portal which conducts many international certification examinations, including Autodesk Certified User Examination for Fusion 360. So for that, you have to just go to buy over here and then individual purchaser. Then you have to head to the Certiport USA shop. And here you can shop for certification products. We are interested in Autodesk only, so we will go to Autodesk exam vouchers. So the very first step is to buy a examination voucher. As you can see, the most basic voucher is of $90, which may be costly to some of you. So there is an alternative for the same, that is to locate a Autodesk authorized training center or a Autodesk training partner. The respective link for the same is attached in the resources, and from here you can type the country you are living in, the state and the city, and when you click on search, all the authorized training centers will be visible to you. And you can contact these centers to purchase the examination vouchers, which is very much less in cost, almost like 1/3 of the cost that we are seeing over here. Now the second step is to register yourself in this Certiport portal. If you are a new user, you can click on register over here. And then you have to fill certain details like the country of your origin, your preferred language, and you have to set up your account. After that, you can log in from here. And you will be welcomed as a test candidate. And you can see if you are having any assigned vouchers to you, if you have bought a voucher, or if you are planning to buy a voucher, or from a Autodesk authorized center you have bought a voucher, everything will come here. And here you will see the exam results. As you can see, I'm having 2 of these examinations. One is of AutoCAD Certified Professional Exam and another one is of Fusion 360 examination. And you can see the score as well. The Certified Professional Examination has a score out of 100 and the User Examination has a score out of 1000. As you can see, in the AutoCAD Certified Professional Exam, I have failed once with a score of 77 out of 100 because the passing percentage or the passing marks at that time was 80. And when I retake the examination in 2016, I passed with the flying colors. Whereas for user examination, the passing score should be 700. So I have scored 767 and I have passed. Now you might be wondering what kind of questions can be asked in such examinations. So for that I have prepared 2 sample questions for the same. As you can see here, the question goes like, open the file named model rip from Fusion exam folder and find the distance between point A and B as shown above. Obviously I cannot share with you the actual exam interface because it's very confidential, but I can share what kind of questions comes. So with this question, you are having a file that is appearing in Fusion exam folder, and this exam folder is located in your computer through a Console 8 or any similar software which is conducting the examination. This folder will be available to you and this file will be available to you. You have to just double click over there and your file will be opened. Now here what is being asked? the distance between these 2 points. So we have made this similar 3D model earlier. So we will open that. Let's again see the question. Distance between these 2 points. So for that we will use obviously the measure command. Select this point, and you can see it is 162.234 millimeter. And you have to write the answer over here. Let's see one more question. Here you have to open a file named Caster Wheel from Fusion Exam folder, and you have to write the name of the grounded component of this assembly. So for that we are having this assembly made over here with various components, and as you can see this small pin is made with this component. This is showing that this is grounded. One more way is there to know if a component is grounded or not is to just right click over here and you will see unground option. That means this one was grounded. So we will write rear wheel nut as the answer. So as soon as the exam is over and you have scored more than the eligible limit of obtaining the certification, you will become a Fusion 360 certified user. And then you can propagate to your Certiport ID and you can see how well you have performed in which area. And you can see in which area you are proficient and in which area you are lacking. And as soon as this is done, your certification will be available to your registered email ID. You can also go to My Transcript and order an official certificate, which might cost you like $10, and it will be sent to your address itself. In the transcript tab itself, you can also see your score report, and you can download it for your future references. So with successful completion of all these steps, your certification will be available to you. And obviously this badge.